So today we are unboxing the Baofeng ham radio, handheld ham radio. And yeah, this isn't going to be a very good video, but quality wise, but I'm still learning about this type of stuff, so we'll jump right into it. So let's see what we have here. Oh, we have a box here. Says Baofeng dual band, dual watch, dual push to talk, launch key, bunch of stuff, emergency alarm, call tone, 1750 hertz, which is times the radio wave goes up and down per second, high and low output power, DTMF encode, ID, and high illumination flashlight. So seems to be a pretty good does it say anything on here? Doesn't say anything on the box about having to have a license to use it, but I do have a ham license, and technically to use one of these you have to. I mean, you can get one, but you can't transmit on it. Once you transmit on it without a license, you're breaking the law. There are so many people that do that, but I still wouldn't recommend it. So we have a user's manual here. Safety information, all that good stuff. All the stuff that comes in it. Installation of the antenna, battery. Excuse me, belt clip, headset, how to charge it, flashlight, how to set up the frequencies, etc., etc. Always look at your user manual when you're gonna open something like this. So we have the earpiece. There's a little foam cover to make it more comfortable. Got the earpiece. This is adapter for the charger. Here's your little antenna, your rubber duck. I probably will get a different antenna because that one's not that great of a antenna. We have belt clip. So right now we have the adapter, the antenna, the belt clip, the earpiece, the user manual, the lanyard that you can put on it, charging base that goes with the plug, the radio main part, and the battery pack. So that is the contents of the box. And I will probably do a video about putting it together here sometime, but for right now that's the unboxing of the Baofeng handheld mobile amateur radio.